Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 9SE, and today I would like to show you how you can operate pop-up view on this device. First of all, select an app, like Gallery. Then you need to click on the square button over here and tap on the top right corner of your app. As you can see, now I can use it in this little window over here. If you wish to make it small, you can click on this little icon, this one, and if you wish to access it, just tap on the bubble. You can also select the other app, for example browser, and use this one, overlay the other one. If you wish to move your window, you can always do that by holding this blue line and placing it wherever you wish to. If you wish to close it, you need to click on this X icon at the top right corner, and now it's gone! Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!